little monsters, and welcome back to another weekly lunch meal video. So today I am going with what I meal prep for the week. I have here this container I got off of Amazon. I really like it that it has like 3 compartments and it's glass, so I love that factor. I had some ripe bananas this week that were going bad, so I used one of those banana bread mixes, and then I just used my ripe bananas in there, and then I made little mini muffins out of them. So I have 3 of them here in this container, pocket size here. And then to go with that, I don't know if you guys have ever had hummus that's chocolate hummus before. So I got this dark chocolate hummus and it tastes so good. It's really creamy. It's kind of fudgy, but it's so good, and it goes really, really well with strawberries and pretzels. So I have pretzel chips here and then some strawberries. And then I also just threw in a piece of cheese to go with that. So that's my breakfast box. For lunch, I made some zucchini boats. My friend likes to call them zucchini pizza. And I just grabbed this out of the fridge again because I had meal prepped this earlier. And I have here 3 pieces, and I have in the zucchini, I have ground beef, I have tomato sauce, some cheese, and then some Italian seasoning. So essentially baked it in the oven, and then that's what I'm eating for lunch. And then for a snack, I just have this. Love this new container I have. This is from Caperci. This is a snack container, so there's 2. You just snap it on, they stick together. You just unlock it. So this side, I just have some Triscuit crackers here. And then this one, I got this mix. This is from Trader Joe's. I just saw it this past week when I went there. It's called Enchanted Jangle, and it has a whole bunch of different, they call it a magical mix of assorted candy treats. It is on the sweeter side. I'm gonna let you know that. So if anything, more of like a dessert kind of mix. But it has a whole bunch of different things like animal crackers that have like a lemon flavor. There's some pretzels in here. These are like chocolate covered, I think pretzels as well. And then these little chocolate chips that are flavored strawberry. So super delicious, but on the sweeter side. So that's gonna be just a special treat at the end of my shift. And then I also have to drink, I'm just gonna bring this LaCroix passion fruit flavor, a large thermos of water, and that's what I'm bringing to work today. So for work lunch today, I'm starting out with breakfast. I made a yogurt parfait. I have here just some vanilla Greek yogurt, some strawberries, and then I topped it off with some granola. I am going to work shortly after this, so I am putting my granola in now. This is actually my favorite granola. I have a nut allergy, or tree nut allergy specifically, and so it's pretty difficult to find some granolas that don't have nuts, but luckily I'm okay with peanut butter, and this is actually my favorite one from Bare Naked. So that is what I'm bringing for breakfast. For lunch, I have my meal prep container. I got this off of Amazon. I love this. It's glass and it's like a 2-compartment one. But today I had some meal prepped in the fridge. I have some cilantro lime rice. I put some black beans on it, and then I made some shrimp fajitas. So I have some peppers and onions, and then some shrimp that I put on a baking sheet. And I had put it in the oven. So it's a sheet pan recipe. I do have that on my channel, so I'll go ahead and link that there. And then this sauce that I put on top is actually from Old El Paso. It's this salsa verde. It's a medium grade. To me, it's kind of a little bit like, has like a nice kick to it. I don't really do spicy very well, but I love this sauce on like all my Tex-Mex type food. So I put that a little bit on my rice and then on the shrimp as well. So that's my main meal for lunch today. And then I'm just gonna bring a small bottle of water and then a larger one that I'll be refilling this one throughout the day, and that's what I'm bringing to work today. Hey guys, so I am at the end of my work week. So today I am using the Planet Box lunch. I'm really excited about my lunch today. I love this theme right here. So I have here a sandwich. I went with a croissant sandwich. I love the croissants you get at Costco. They're just so huge. They're really great pricing and everything as well. So I have here turkey, cheese, avocado, lettuce, and then I have a little bit of mayo and mustard on the bread itself. And I have that as my main meal. I cut it into 3 just to fit because the lunch, it fits like a really large sandwich, but the croissant is just huge. So I have that there. I have an apple that I sliced up, and then these are Popcorner spicy queso chips. So I have some of it there. I still have some left in here. I might just snack on it the rest of the day, but that's gonna be my lunch. And then for snack slash like early dinner, I have the Planet Box. This is the shuttle. So this is like the smaller snack box. So in here, I have this kind of like a little protein box. So I have the, I have here the actual like containers that you can purchase for the boxes. And so I have here a hard-boiled egg. I sprinkled on some everything but the bagel seasoning on it. I have mozzarella sticks that I just cut into like little pieces so it's just easier to bite. And then I have here some crackers. And then this is beef jerky. I got this at Costco on my haul. This time it's a Korean barbecue flavor. This is pork jerky. It is so good. Once you start eating it, it's like so addictive. But I took some of those pieces, I put it into this box. So I have that. And then I'm just going to also add this dark chocolate chip peanut butter protein bar to have during the day as well. So then that's what I'm bringing to work. I'm going to have some LaCroix. This is the black raspberry flavor. And then I have my thermos of water. I put in an orange slice in there as well just for extra flavoring. And then I just have another thermos of water that I'll be refilling throughout the day. And that's what I'm bringing to work today.